Okay, just one last video on reviews and basically how to make the most of your reviews and how to get these reviews to attract more students and sign-ups for your school. Okay, so it's going to be a quick video and let me show you how to make the most of these reviews. Okay, so if I'm going to Google a language school, so here, School of English Language Zagreb. So if I do a quick search, I get these results. So the first one, this is a paid ad. This is a paid ad. This is kind of cheating. The school they've named their school English Language School. And here we are, number 4, just down. So, we've been, because they're good reviews we've got, we've been, we move up the list. So also as well, can you imagine if you're going to pay, if you're doing some paid ads and like this, American Institute. So they're paying an ad. Anybody who comes looking for them, they'll see that, because they're number 1, they're on the top. But people look at the reviews. So they've got 21, they've got 24, they've got none. We've got 137. Okay, this crowd there, they have 199. So basically, they've paid money to send people to here, or they've paid money, for people who come here to see this, but they're going to send that business to us because we got more reviews than them. Another thing, how we display our reviews, we use this, reviewsonmywebsite.com. So this is really cool little app. It's $5 per month, and it gives you a bunch of different kind of widgets and badges that you can display your reviews. So let me show you what these look like. So here on our website, so if we go to English courses, so this is kind of, this are, remove this here. You scroll down. Okay, so here are the reviews that people have left us, and they're all kind of past or present students. Okay, probably mostly past. So anybody who kind of comes to the homepage can see this kind of social proof. They can see what our students are saying about us, and also on our main landing page. So this is where we kind of send all people who want to sign up for the general courses. And same again. Sorry, give me a second. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it took us a few seconds to load. Here, this is the same widget again. You can change this to make it look differently and make it match your website. Also, you can get these badges. Like here. So this, Initiativa based on 256 reviews between Google and Facebook. So if anybody's kind of, not sure whether your school is quality, these reviews will push them, to make that, to realize that, you are a quality school. So I hope I've kind of explained the importance of having good reviews. So start collecting them. If you don't, you're going to be left behind, so start collecting them now. Okay, if you have any questions, please contact me. More than happy to talk more about this. Thank you. Bye.